Hi, Clint Thomas from RKN CPAs guiding you forward. Have you or someone you loved been in a federally declared disaster area? Well, that can be so traumatic to deal with, whether it's fire or flood, tornado, hurricane. When those happen, our hearts go out to those people in those areas. But there are some things that, at least from a tax perspective, are of benefit. So I wanted to go through those with you real quick. And as always, you can always give us a call here to discuss this in more detail. But when those areas are declared federally declared disaster areas, there are some things that you can do on your tax returns, even if you don't itemize. First of all, any losses, any uninsured personal losses that exceed a $500 threshold are not going to be subject to the rule of 10% of AGI, so you don't have to be subject to the special limitations that normally apply to casualty losses. The loss is actually treated as an additional standard deduction for non-itemizers, so that really helps. If you need to pull money out of your retirement funds, there's no 10% penalty. It's waived as long as the IRA or retirement plan withdrawal isn't greater than $100,000. The income tax due on the distribution from the qualified plan or the IRA can be spread over a 3-year period. So that helps a lot. So you'll pull the money out without penalty if it's under 100,000, and you can actually spread out the income tax over 3 years. You can borrow money from a company retirement plan like a 401k up to the lesser of $100,000 or 100% of the account, and loan repayments can be deferred. The special rule for charitable contributions is where it's limited to 60% of your adjusted gross income is also suspended for any cash donations to qualified charities that aid the victims in the federal disaster area. Corporations can fully deduct the cash donations for federal disaster relief, and there's some other benefits that are really helpful. So if you have any questions, if you know someone who's been affected by this and perhaps they need to amend their return, have them give us a call here at RKN. We'll be glad to help them and guide them forward in that area. Have a good day.